How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And the question today is, can you use a VPN on Disney Plus? Now, yes, you are able to use a VPN. And now I can't really show you right here in this video. For me, Disney Plus is not available, but I'm able to access it simply because I'm using a VPN right here, ExpressVPN. I can't exactly show you how I can't really show you the process of unblocking it because YouTube doesn't like that. But all you need to do is connect to the, server where it's available. In this case, I want to connect to my American account and my American library. So I'm just going to use one of these VPNs. They are all very good, by the way, at unblocking streaming services. And yes, they do. But if you're using a free or unreliable VPN, it's simply not going to work because Disney Plus is able to recognize when you're using a VPN and they will block you. So when you're using a good VPN that obfuscates the fact that it's a VPN, Disney Plus won't be able to find out that it's a VPN, and you can simply get access to it as I have access to it right now. Now, you've got these three VPNs. You've got Express that focuses more on privacy and anonymity, ease of use, and compatibility. It's a great VPN overall. It's a premium service that comes with a premium price. If you're looking for more of a value option that gives you a whole bunch of bonus features and is very reasonably priced considering the performance and security and just all the features that you're getting, NordVPN is a great option, and Surfshark is the best budget option that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without necessarily sacrificing security or privacy or performance for that matter, or features. So they all vary in budget and features. So, pick and choose depending on which one could be the best choice for you and your situation. Now, again, if you're using a free VPN or an unreliable VPN, you're probably not going to be able to get access to Disney Plus. You're going to need a pretty good VPN that really just works on bypassing these specific streaming-based geo restrictions. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of trouble accessing streaming services such as Disney Plus, Hulu, Amazon, or a specific Netflix library. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them. And keep in mind that they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can stress test these VPNs risk-free for the first 30 days. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.